Hold on.
Oh wait, remember the door ain't go out that door.
Yeah, open that other door and see if it'll go out that door.
Yeah.
Don't.
Feather boogie, fading butt out of here. Get. Come on, get. Don't let him shit on you. Get. I'm sure you get dizzy. Get out of here. Boogie.
Tom Mall, can you move away from the door so?
Yeah, you can't, you have to scare it out the door.
Get out of here. Hey, where's the cat? You need him now.
I hope we can get out.
It's gonna get tired here soon.
I'm getting tired. I'm dizzy. Oh God.
And maybe not scream for a while, just let it figure its own way calmly out.
Come on. Come on now. Like a big bird I would.
Is that you speaking, bird?
Aaron, can you put me on the list for tonight?
Come on, little guy. Come on out. Come on out. About your habitat. You'll die in here if you keep doing that.
This would be so funny if we could get this on America's Funniest Home Videos.
If I had a piece of bread, probably would get him out.
It's looking for a window, they don't know why it's so high.
Yeah, and me.
Let's just try being quiet for a minute.
Landed. Come on, little guy. Come on, little dude. Time to go out.
You think if we shut the lights off, you would see the light from the window?
We could try
Let's
that.
try that.
That works with bees a lot of the time.
Let's try that.
They say the bird right up that line.
Well, what we're thinking is he'll be more attracted to the light outside rather than the darkness in here. We don't know. We just make a guess.
It's probably tired now. Bird, open door, go out the door.
On the other hand, when it gets dark, birds usually settle down. So he may be roosting now because the signal he's getting is it's getting to be nighttime. It's so close. You're so cute.
This is so weird.